When I'm on travel, I always take my actual power charger, and this is a great fast charging station. Not only does it charge my phone, but it also charges my laptops and also my Steam Deck. So, all right, so I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. This actually could take on multiple things. All right, so we're charging our actual connection here. I'm gonna disconnect it so you guys can see it. Disconnected it right now. We're gonna connect it back. So this is a Surface. All right, if you guys can see, there's a Surface computer, a laptop that we have, and then we have our Dell machine here that we're gonna plug it in, and we're just gonna plug it in right here, and also starts charging automatically. So this is compatible with either or. The brick is really good. I like it. It's a fast charging too. Like I say, it goes up to 100 watts on this one, which is great. And now we actually go to our phone. So not only does it charge your actual unit, but right now we got it fully charged right now. So we're 100%. It's going to charge all your devices, including your iPad or your ISO if you have a Type-C connection. So we're going to go ahead and connect it, and there it is charging, and it's a fast charging. So there's a multiple charger, and of course we have a USB bank here if you guys can see that, and it's charging. So it's not just a solar, but it's also a charging station. It's charging super quick on this one just by connecting it here. So this is a great system to take with you on the road, because if you need charging station for all your devices, this is compatible with them. So very simple.